Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning, and today I want to talk about a course that has helped me take my Amazon selling journey to the next level. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to make it big on Amazon, this course is definitely worth considering. This course aims to provide a comprehensive guide to selling on Amazon, specifically designed for small startups. You'll learn how to navigate the platform, source products, create listings, and master the art of selling on Amazon. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to build a successful Amazon business from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned seller looking to expand your e-commerce business or a complete beginner wanting to dive into the world of online selling, this course is tailored to meet your needs. It's suitable for anyone interested in e-commerce and looking to leverage the power of Amazon's vast marketplace. In this course, you'll discover how to set up your seller account and navigate the Amazon platform, strategies for sourcing profitable products to sell, tips for creating compelling product listings that stand out, mastering pricing strategies, promotions, and advertising to boost sales, how to manage inventory, fulfill orders, and provide excellent customer service, understanding key performance metrics and using data to make informed business decisions, and much more. The course is structured in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to follow and implement the lessons. Throughout the course, you'll have access to a variety of resources, including comprehensive ebooks, guides, and additional materials that provide further insights into the world of Amazon selling. These resources will enhance your learning experience and provide practical guidance for implementing the strategies taught in the course. I highly recommend this course for anyone looking to start their Amazon selling journey. The instructors are knowledgeable and provide practical, actionable advice. The course content is comprehensive and covers everything you need to know to get started. The structure is well organized, making it easy to follow and ensuring that you can implement the strategies right away. If you're ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality and build a successful business on Amazon, this course is the perfect starting point. With its comprehensive content and practical approach, you'll gain the skills and confidence to navigate the Amazon marketplace and achieve your goals. Remember, with dedication and hard work, you can turn your small startup into a thriving Amazon business. Thanks for watching, and I wish you success on your entrepreneurial journey.